Hey guys, my name is Wes Skidry. I'm part of the 2017 Sight and Sound Conservatory, and I can tell you it is by far the best season of my entire life. I came here and I'm a psych major from college, but theater's always been my passion. So getting to come here, having the opportunity to come here, being chosen as one of 10 is the most incredible opportunity. And it's very humbling to think that they want to work with you and they want to help you grow as a performer, not only in the secular world, but as a Christian in the Christian theater world and in the secular world. No matter where your path takes you. Also, I think that a lot of people don't know this because I don't share it, but I probably went through the darkest season of my life while being in this incredible season. So going through darkness, like I kind of experienced, turning away from the Lord a lot and being afraid of Him and being mad at Him, I was expecting just to go through the motions here, but I ended up turning back, and it was the most beautiful turn back in the entire world, and it would not have happened had it not been for the people God brought here, the people in my conservatory class that never ever gave up on me and continue to show love and pour love on me, because that's what this place does. It pours onto you talent, advice, knowledge, love, grace, and mercy. And I've grown so much as an individual, as a man, and as a Christian for the Lord. So come to this conservatory, help fund this boy. Love you.